everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, a career switcher, or just curious about the data field, this video is for you. If you've ever felt confused between data science, data analyst, data engineering, and data modeling roles, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to break down these roles in a way that's super simple to understand. Let's get into it. First off, think of the data world like a kitchen. Data engineers are the one who build the kitchen, setting up the plumbing, the gas, organizing all the ingredients. Data analysts are like the chefs who take the ingredients and make basic dishes, looking at trends and saying, people really like pasta on Wednesdays. Data scientists are the experimental chefs. They try out new recipes, use AI-powered ovens, and predict what people will want to eat next week. And data modelers. They organize the pantry, they label everything, make sure the ingredients are in the right place and connected logically so chefs can cook fast. Got that? Great. Now let's go a bit deeper. Data engineer. A data engineer is responsible for building and maintaining the data infrastructure. Think of pipelines that move data from source systems like websites, apps, or sensors into a central storage like a data warehouse. They work with big data tools like Spark or Hadoop, databases like SQL, NoSQL, or Redshift, programming languages like Python, Scala, or Java. Their goal is to ensure that data flows smoothly, securely, and is available for analysts and scientists to use. It's a very back-end heavy technical role, ideal for people who love architecture and systems. Data analyst. A data analyst is all about interpreting existing data. They pull reports, create dashboards, spot trends and anomalies, help businesses make decisions. They use Excel, SQL, visualizing tools like Power BI, Tableau, maybe a little Python or R for basic analysis. So if a company asks, why are sales down in February? The data analyst is a person who digs into the numbers and provides an answers with charts, graphs, and nice summary. This role is less about coding and more about storytelling with data. Data scientist. Now here's where things get spicy. Data scientists do everything a data analyst can do, plus predictive modeling, machine learning, and AI. They build models that predict customer churn, recommend products, detect frauds, forecast sales. They use Python, R, machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, statistics, data wrangling, and feature engineering. Think of them as problem solvers who use data and algorithms to predict the future, or at least try to. It's a more advanced role and usually requires a background in stats, math, or computer science. Data modeler. A data modeler is a kind of unsung hero. They are like the architects of the data system. They design how data is structured, ensuring the data is clean, consistent, and logically connected across systems. They create entity relationship diagrams, data dictionaries, normalization rules. Without a good data model, even the best data engineers and analysts would be swimming in chaos. This is a less coding heavy role, but it requires strong logic, attention to detail, and a good understanding of how businesses use data. So to summarize, data engineers build the pipelines and infrastructure. Data analysts find insights from data. Data scientists predict the future with machine learning. Data modelers design the blueprint of how data is organized. Every role is important, and they often work together. If you're just starting out, data analyst is usually the best entry point. From there, you can grow into data science or engineering based on your interests. Let me know in the comments which role you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.